This video is sponsored by Cricut.
Better song for me to feel supported by the universe today. There you go.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It is a chill day in the life vlog. I love watching vlogs so much, so I'm excited that today is just like a spend the day with me kind of thing. I have lots planned today. I am going to be making care packages for my team. We haven't seen each other in so long, and I have a couple surprises for them. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get ready for the day, start doing some emails, and then just start crafting. I'm so excited. I love that this is my job. I just get to craft all day. But yeah, let's get ready. I'm ready for the day. Got my makeup on, did a little hair straightening of the hair. My hair is so long and I'm kind of here for it. I don't think my hair's ever been this long. Gonna put on some earrings and then head downstairs and start answering emails. Right, Lots? You guys can't see her, but she's always here by my side. Cutie. Shout out to the store Made to Measure. I'll link these earrings below. These are called the Alexandra earrings, and they're little rainbows, and I love them. Ready for the day.
Are we recording?
Yeah. She's really like chaotic today.
It's kind of funny though.
Today is like a very chill day. I would say normally my work days are filled with meetings and calls, emails, all the things. But I wanted to kind of take a pause today and do something nice for my team, Team AG. They are the ones that like keep the show running. They work so hard. And yeah, I wanted to give back to them a little. So I have said this before, but I'll say it again. I love using my Cricut to send mail. I send mail to Eva all the time, Noah's sister. So I'm using my Cricut today to make some fun Team AG merch. I thought that would just be really nice for everyone. And yeah, I'm just gonna start setting up and then I'll walk you through my game plan. Guys, we're still unpacking, so there's like piles of stuff everywhere. Just ignore. I've got notebooks, printable sticker paper, more notebooks, and some thick cardstock. So my good friend of mine, Leandra, she is actually half of Queen of Wines. Queen of Wines did that amazing art print that I have hanging in the studio. Leandra is the illustrator of Queen of Wines, and she's illustrated a lot of stuff for me. My end screen on YouTube, my banner, and I love her work so much. So I asked her to do a custom Team AG illustration of all 5 of us. Are there 5 of us? Me, Jenny, Elena, Carla, Alexandra, James. There's 6 of us. Wow, there's 6 of us. And I am going to print the stickers using my Cricut design space on sticker paper, which I got directly from Cricut. And I'm going to put it right here. I am going to measure the size that I want the sticker to be. And then I'm gonna go into the Cricut design space and mock out a shape and then drag in Leandra's illustration. So now that my image has been printed on my printer, I have got a mat. I'm sticking the paper to the mat and feeding it through my Cricut, and the Cricut is gonna cut the sticker into an arch, and it's gonna draw the name at the bottom of the sticker. Oh my God, fun! Okay friends, this is the finished sticker, but now I'm second guessing and I'm wondering if I should print this in a color so it's not just white. But I always find this, I always like to experiment with the Cricut in design space, and then once you actually see it, I feel like it's better to get an idea of what exactly you want to do. For these DIYs, I'm using Cricut's Maker Machine. This is basically a smart cutter machine and is able to cut designs into over 300 different materials. You can also use it to cut designs into materials like burlap, canvas, cotton, felt, linen, and so many more. I just love how versatile this machine is. I can do everything from create stationery to design cushion covers to making tote bags. This machine truly does it all. Cute little break in regular programming. You guys, this is a typical moment in my life every day where me and Lottie snuggle. She just like loves being cuddled. She just wants to be cuddled at all times, right? Look, Team AG merch. So I think I like the circle better. I think I'm gonna change the background so it matches the side of the notebook. So I'll do like that same green as the background of the circle. That's the microwave. But before I do that, I am gonna hop on a podcast. I'm on the Society of Grown-Ups podcast. If it's out by the time this video is live, I will link it down below. But yeah, super excited to do a podcast. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, nice to meet you both.
We're such big fans of yours. Like,
Oh.
I literally watched your patio.
Thanks. I'm back to designing. So basically what I did is I just took a picture of the side of here and I brought the color into Photoshop and I basically made it so that it was the same green as the notebook side. And I think this is gonna look better. So I'm just gonna pop it into the circle, reprint it, and then hopefully I'll have gotten the design down. So yeah, let's give it a go. I think this is gonna work so much better than the white. Ah, so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna print a bunch of these. I'm gonna do some with the orange background, and then I'm going to get them all ready to send out. So cute! Team AG merch! I'm done the notebooks, which is great. And now I'm gonna do the envelopes. I'm gonna use the pen tool on my Cricut, which basically will look like I've written the address / name on the envelope in like calligraphy, except the secret is I will have not done that. The Cricut will have done it. Guys, look at these cute little note cards that I made to go with everyone's packages. Like actually the cutest. I'm gonna take a break and Noah and I are gonna go get tacos with my friend Katie, who lives nearby.
I got my new toy.
Noah was like about to cry for numerous reasons, but now I'm guessing you're not coming to get tacos with us.
Oh no, I'll come and get tacos. I wasn't about to cry, but I was pissed.
Yeah, so I get to see Katie twice today. So exciting. She lives very close. So we just meet each other in the mornings and whenever we feel like it, really, which is really, really nice to have that like neighborly feel. Also, I don't want you guys to get the wrong idea that like, I just don't want you to think that I just sit at home crafting all day, because that's really not the reality. Today was just one of those more chill work days, which was great. Okay, gonna order tacos, go pick them up, and I'll see you guys soon in the park.
Yeah, well,
Like, generally speaking.
oh yeah.
We got the tacos.
Okay, how about that? You guys are like my neighborhood mom and dad today.
Love that. We're trying to organize the tacos.
You got fish?
Yeah, and mushroom.
This is a steak,
Yeah.
and then I have one more fish.
Yeah, I just need to take a fish from there.
Yeah, so you take a fish, and I'll take the last fish.
Okay, can't.
Hi guys.
You guys, we just got donuts. But as you said, it was too fleeting.
Yes. Too short.
Tacos Tuesday was so fun, and now we're gonna be doing that every week. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna have a bath, I'm gonna make some tea, and tomorrow I'm gonna wrap all of the gifts for the team. I made gifts for the team. Did you see them?
The envelopes look nice.
Yeah. You guys, I always feel weird vlogging because I'm like, I don't feel like I talk enough. I just do like montagey stuff. But please let me know what you want to see down below in the comment section, because these vlogs are going to become a semi-regular thing.
This episode of Gator Watch, we're walking down our street.
Goodbye, guys. That's my cue. Good morning, friends. It is Wednesday already. I woke up feeling kind of tired today. I don't know, yesterday was like such a great day. But I went to bed very late, so that's probably why. Anyways, at around 10:30 last night, I had this like stroke of inspiration. I was like, why would I not get the Arch Team AG illustration by Leandra printed on a tote bag for everyone. And you can actually do this on Cricut. You can print your own tote bags. I've done it many times, but I ordered them just because I don't really have time to make tote bags for everyone, and I don't have the supplies needed, and the supplies are gonna take a few days. Anyways, I have found a place in Toronto that is gonna do them overnight, which is awesome. And I'm just really excited that we have like Team AG merch, and I know everyone is going to appreciate it. And yeah, I've missed my team, and I can't wait until we're all in the studio. So making merch is just like a fun thing to do right now. So I am going to write everyone a little note. I'm gonna wrap the note with the notebook, put it in the envelope, and then once I receive the tote bags tomorrow, I'll put the envelopes in the tote bag, deliver it to everyone. Yeah, I'm really excited. Writing these notes makes me feel so happy inside, because I'm just reflecting on, oh, I'm getting emotional, I don't know why. I'm just reflecting on all of the things that this team has accomplished in the last 2 years, and I'm getting goosebumps because I just feel so lucky that Jenny, Alexandra, Carla, James, and Alana are part of this team, and they're all so incredibly talented, and they bring so much to these videos and this channel. And yeah, I'm like writing these notes and I'm like, you guys, but seriously, like I think it's so great for business owners to stand back sometimes and reflect on how far they've come, and the team, and you know, maybe that's family and friends or whoever has helped them get there. So today's one of those days for me. It's one of those days for Lottie's too. Right, Lots? Yeah, you love the team. Ah, they look so good. Hey guys, so I just got back from picking up the bags. Like, how fun. So I'm gonna wrap them up, and I'm gonna fold them over so that when everyone receives them, they can't see the front, and then they can just unbox them themselves. I'm gonna get everyone to film them unboxing it. So you get to meet the team, and yeah, see their reactions. But in the meantime, I'm gonna gift Alana hers because she's working with me today, so she can unbox it in front of me. I'm so excited. Okay, go ahead.
Oh my god. That is so cute.
Isn't that so cute?
Did Leandra do this?
Yeah. Team AG merch.
I can. Aww. So cute. Oh my god.
Isn't it so cute?
I'm obsessed. I love it.
I'm so glad.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's so cute.
I am just getting home and found this on my door. So let's open it up and see what's in here. Oh my god, there's an illustration.
Here we go, what could it be? What could it be?
I just got home to a package. Look how cute this is. Pink ribbon, of course.
Definitely a tote bag.
I'm so excited. Okay. Alexandra, what have you done? Oh my god!
That's definitely my face. She put my face on a tote bag. Ah!
Oh my god. I might die. This is so cute.
You have got to be kidding me. This is amazing. Look at us. Look at Team AG.
Okay, there's more. There's something inside.
Whoa, nice handwriting.
Look at this writing. Wow.
Okay, I'm not going to read this out loud because Alexandra said a bad word.
What the heck? Oh my god, a branded Team AG content!
Oh my god. I'm gonna die. This is so perfect.
Oh my god. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I'm literally never gonna wear any other tote bag. This is so cute. Thank you so much, Alexandra. I love being part of Team AG. It's the best.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited and I'm so happy to be a part of this team.
I gotta say, I do love this team. Look at us. Look at us. We're adorable. Like, look at James.
Does it look like me? Does it look like I have to do the head thing? Oh, my hair's not down.
Do you like our new stuff? Do you like our new stuff?
Even Prune likes it. Obsessed. Best team. Mwah.
Okay guys, because I'm apparently new to this vlogging game, I forgot to actually do an outro the day that I filmed this video. So I am here giving an outro for this video and just want to say thanks so much for watching. I'll be releasing a new vlog or like a lifestyle kind of content video one Wednesday every month. So let me know in the comments down below what you want to see. Thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video and making it possible to make these fun care packages for my team. And as always, I will see you guys next week. Bye.